What's up, guys? Little cruise today. Got this slow truck in front of us. Austin's with me on his bike. Just chilling. It's very pretty today. They redone this road and it is so much better. Way better than it was before. Put new mirrors on since the last video. I had the bar ends and I don't know. I don't really like them. I don't know if I really like these, honestly. I like the OEM style better. I think they just look better. Yeah, here we go. These curves through here are sharp. So pretty though. Hella sharp. And yeah, I got the wire zip tied up for my turn signals on my mirrors because I don't really know how I feel about them yet. I think I'm going to do the OEM style. So I figured there was no sense in wiring them in just to take them right back off and get different ones. God, these big hills are pretty. I thought there was a car sitting back there. I was like, surely there's not a cop way down here, surely. God, I'd hope not. Never know, though. God, I really want to get an ECU flash for this thing. It just lays, it's real... On-off throttle's real jerky and shit. I've watched a lot of more Mafia's videos and he says that he can tune that out, so that'd be nice. And it lowers fan temps and all that. So the fan comes on early. The fan don't come on this, or I guess on this one anyway, till like 225 and it's hot by the time it comes on. That'd be nice if it was earlier. It'd be more enjoyable. Yeah, we're riding to Cordell Hull Dam. Gonna go to the Outlook and see how pretty it is. I haven't been up there this year. I don't think I went up there. Well, I guess I went up there one time last year, but it was dark. Couldn't see anything. It's super nice up there. You could see the dam and you could see the river going through. You could see for miles. Very pretty. Look at that. Tennessee Hills right there. I'm not gonna go crazy on this road, guys. I don't really know this road very good, so we just trying to get out and ride, chill, not get dead, you know. That shit's a cap anyways, no thanks. Quarter mile, turn left. Probably up here. Okay, yeah, this is it. This is the overlook for the dam. You can see it from up there. I wonder if we can get our box up there. You think we can ride these up there?
Ride them up there?
You think so? Or no?
Huh?
You think we can get them up there?
I don't really want to.
Okay, that's fine. I was about, I don't, we maybe could, but that one turn up there is pretty tight.
Yeah, and it's rough.
Yeah, okay. I'm a swinger on around. Damn. Wonder if you can really see it. Watch me fall my big ass off here. You can see it down there. Very nice. Now guys, we're pulling up at the bottom of the dam. The outlook's kind of up on a hill on the top, and then you can pull back out on the road and kind of go down the hill and come back around, and you can pull right in, come back here to it. Looks pretty neat down here. Like grilling and everything, chilling. I don't blame them. Oh, there's fishing spots over there. I know a lot of people come right down here to the dam to fish. A lot cooler down here too. Also look cool as shit in the mirror. The red and black looks sick. Alright, let's go to O'Reilly's. O'Reilly's. Yep, I was right. Where I thought this came out at, I couldn't really remember though. Up, go, 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 go! Super fast, wing, wing! Yo. Where are you going, sir? Those look so sick. I want one as a daily. But they poor.
Need one? Yay, nay?
Huh? Need one? Nah, I'm good.
I like to wait till we eat to clean.
Yeah. I'll probably, cause probably.
By the time we get done eating, the sun's probably gonna be almost down.
Yeah, I was about to say when we come out, I'll probably.
Alright, I'll be right back.
That damn Ford's struggling, bro.
Yeah, I know. You just floor it and blow the fucking hole.
What's it got? One fucking refrigerator? Jeez.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Guys, I've got to try it out a different thing on my mic. Everybody said to put the dead cat on it, and this shit like tickles my mouth and stuff. I can touch it. I do not like it. It come with like a little foam thing on it for wind, but I don't know how good it does. I never tried it. Need to try it out. See how good it does. Man, those look dope. Huh?
Hold that. I got it.
Perfect.
Damn it. Hold it. Sweet. This will be nifty, I know it.
Yeah. Be nice to keep with you.
Thanks, dog.
You're welcome.
Here's some trash.
Here's some trash. When we leave the restaurant, we'll go. Stupid motherfucker. Stupid boy. Oh, they're turning in here. I'm an idiot. We're going to eat at this place. I've never been there. It's supposed to be like a big barbecue place. And I mean, I don't know for sure, but I've heard from people that they have like a big, they cook on a big wood smoker and everything. Like it's pretty legit. I'm excited to try it. It's called the Timber Loft, I think it is. Yeah. Dude's back there vibing. Whoa, 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 buddy. Got a speed racer on our hands. Easy there, fella. Gotta show us who the man is. God, I am starving. So hungry. Oh yeah, we leaned off, bruh! We leaned off! What the hell? Give him the paddle when I go by. I bet this guy in this black Dodge behind us like, what the hell's wrong with these guys? What a bunch of idiots. You know what? That's okay. I do not care. Watch it. Don't do it. Appreciate it. My gas light was on when we left O'Reilly's, and now it's off. Might have been just where it was sitting on a hill or something, I don't know. Holy crap! This place is packed.
Well, I guess I'm ready when y'all are.
I'm ready.
I gotta put my glove on. Y'all don't run off on me now.
Nah, I ain't. I'm just chilling.
Lamborghinis, baby.